Hi, welcome to my channel. I am really excited about this haul. I found some really cute items from the 99 cent only store. I've been kind of moaning about how I haven't been able to find decor pieces for the New Year and spring holidays that I can incorporate into my decor until the Easter spring stuff came out from the 99 cent store. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. So what I was able to find, there was a couple of things that I found that I saw similar to last year, and some of that included the pastel glitter eggs. Now I went back and I grabbed more because I really like the teal ones, and I can incorporate the pink and purple eggs into Easter baskets that I'm sending to nieces and nephews. So I grabbed a 8-pack of the glitter eggs that open that you can put items into for 99 cents. I found these back scrubbers. Now I picked up a mint green one for me, but I also grabbed a purple one. So these are really thick and long scrubbers that you can use to get to the areas that you can't normally reach in your mid-back section. So I grabbed one of those as well. I found this really cute little tiny decorative, what's like a box, I guess. But I really like that there's no glitter, but there are ridges. So I will likely paint this and then add some metallic letter stickers that I have in my crafting supplies. So I grabbed that, and they had quite a few of these with different patterns. I also grabbed a container of the premium original gourmet cookies. They had these in pink, purple, and yellow tins, and it's 8 ounces of cookies. So I was tempted. And then I also picked up some crafting supplies. So if you have young kids and you're always looking for items that you can do together, or if maybe you are a teacher, you might be interested in these. So I picked these up for my sister, and basically this is a 20-piece of pastel bunnies that can be decorated. I picked that up along with a 400-pack of letters, so she can use that in her room where folks can spell their name on their bunny or name their bunny. So for $2, that is basically a craft project, and then obviously you can use other crafting supplies, but a pretty fun project for spring for $2. So I also picked up some oh, I wanted to show you this sign, this Easter blessing sign. It is a pretty pastel purple. This also came in, I believe, a pink and yellow. And the Easter blessings actually shimmers. It's got glitter in it. So, and I like the look of the rustic ribbon with the glitter. So I picked that up. A pack of Zicam Cold Remedy. Now this is the crystal powder packets that you put on your tongue to dissolve, and this comes in a pack of 18. So I'm gonna admit that I paid $8 to $9 for several boxes of these earlier in the year, because I don't know about your area, but with it being one of the worst flu seasons in a while, and I work in a pretty large office, when there's usually people get sick, or there's a really bad flu floating around, people get sick, and even, you know, it usually comes around in a second wave, it seems like, in the office. So I have been alternating between the Zicam Cold Remedy and the Emergency. I found these at the 99 cent store, so I cleared a few stores so that I can stock up for home, stock up for my parents, and I stocked up for the office. So this, I think, is a great find, and I want to say I saved quite a bit of money by picking these up. Now, granted, they expire in fall, but chances are what I bought will likely be used well before then, so a non-issue. The Crystal Light Pure Tropical Blend Sweetened Drink Mix. Now, I'm a fan of Crystal Light, but it does have artificial sweeteners, as well as, you know, likely even chemicals that it is made with that are not natural. So I didn't even know that Crystal Light came out with the Pure line that uses Truvia. So it's a natural flavoring with basically a natural sweetener. So then I went home and I tried it, and it is really good. I definitely recommend it. Okay, so the last food items that I got were these marinade mixes. So I had grabbed, oh, I think I put them away already. I had grabbed some tuna pouches. That is basically tuna in water, and they have a shelf life of like 3 years, but without the can. So I grabbed quite a few of those, and I think it was a brand name, either the Bumblebee or the Star-Kissed. But I found these Grill Mates limited edition marinade mixes. This one is garlic pepper IPA. I grabbed the roasted garlic stout. I grabbed the classic herb. I grabbed the Mexican style chipotle. And I grabbed a taco seasoning from McCormick. So I found these adorable little Easter bunnies in the faux grass. I think these are super cute. So there's this one that is kind of like sitting. And then there's this one that's standing up. And they were both 99 cents. So cute. This is a really good size. Like, I mean, well, I got big hands, so you guys know that. But I got big hands, but this is a really good size bunny. And it comes in, I think, just the two positions, the sitting and the standing. But I grabbed those, which are obviously adorable for spring, any type of spring holiday aside. Those are cute for spring. So I also grabbed this cute little faux fur pom-pom with the bunny ears, the shimmering silver bunny ears. And yes, this is a keychain. How cute is this? They had this in different colors, but the other ones that were dyed obviously looked like it was lower quality. This was the only one that stood out to me because I would have paid more than $1 for this. So I thought that was super cute. I grabbed that. I also found this cute sign. Now, they had these in different colors. I want to say pink and yellow, but I grabbed this in a teal color. It says Happy Easter, and it's got the faux wood look with the silhouette of a bunny and the cute little 3D pom-pom tail. So for 99 cents, yes please. Okay, so if you are planning a wedding or you know someone who is, I found these and I was like, oh my goodness. So these are beautiful white roses with the faux gem. It looks like an earring, right? It looks like a diamond earring just stuck in the center of the roses. These are beautiful. So I grabbed these because my bedroom is white with basically faux gem and a hint of mint or teal depending on the season. But I thought that these would be super cute to group for either centerpieces for a reception or to make a bridal bouquet that can be kept as a keepsake. Like, these are beautiful. And each stem is 99 cents. So I grabbed a few of those to create a arrangement for my nightstand in my room. So I grabbed those. And then I also found, I don't want to pick it up, but I found this cute little vase. And I think what I might end up doing is either spray painting that silver and putting these in there, or I think I might just fill it with the faux gems from the Dollar Tree and then stick these in there. But obviously I would have to band these together with some type of rubber band or what have you. But that's exactly what I got that to use for. So I'm gonna try to put those in there without pushing over that sign. Put this little bunny under here. And if you were wondering, the roses with the white roses with the gems, they also had those in a pink, a coral, and maybe even a yellow. But I saw far more white and pink than anything else. So I went to another store and I found these ones, which are beige. Those ones are bright white in the back. The ones in the front are like a beige off-white color. And it has fewer flowers, but the gem is larger. So if you weren't concerned about the color of white, but you wanted more bling, there's this option. Bag that was filled with these Easter eggs. Now these are plastic eggs. These are a metallic silver with the white polka dots, and these are a beautiful champagne glitter, and these would look so cute with the champagne Easter bunnies that I found last year at Home Goods. So I am excited about these because I was going to DIY some, but now that I have these, and just so you know, basically how they came was that they basically came with a little string because you can hang them as ornaments, whether you have a all year round holiday tree or whether you just wanted to create something with them. They come with the little ornament hooks. What I did was I just simply cut it, and you can't even tell. I mean, if you get really up close, you can maybe see that there's a hole there, but I thought they looked prettier without it, so I decided to go ahead and cut them all off. Okay, and so the last item that I wanted to show you before I let you go is that I found some cute little notebooks. So lately I've been walking around with multiple notebooks because I have got my daily planner, I've got a notebook which is like a to-do list for work daily, and then I have a notebook that's like for video ideas, and then the list goes on and on. So a lot of the stuff that I have is either gold or rose gold accent, but my theme this year seems to be trending like it was last year with the marble. So at the 99-cent store, I found these. Premium Journal. It is a 5.65 by 8.25. Each one has 160 pages and they're ruled sheets. So basically what this is a marble covered notebook with rose gold lettering. It's like a rose gold foil. I thought this was so beautiful. And the back is just plain marble, but inside it's got your basic letter. So you can use this for anything. It doesn't have to be a journal. If you want a journal, if you want a gratitude journal, if you want something just to work out your budgets, if you want something to just note down ideas or whatever the case may be, this is the perfect size. It's lightweight and you can easily toss that in your purse, whether or not you even have a planner. So rose gold and marble at the 99-cent store, yes. So I guess the good part is that this particular package came with two. One of the marble and rose gold, and one with a black marble as well as a white marble. And it says shine like a diamond in a rainbow metallic. Obviously, I'm not really excited about that one. But even paying $1 or 99 cents just for the one, I think I've seen something similar to this that come in a set of maybe two. They might have been a little bit thicker, but at Home Goods, you're going to pay closer to $5.99 to $9.99 for them. So at the 99-cent store, I snagged those up as well. I also grabbed some rose gold diamond-shaped paper clips. So I grabbed a couple of these. They come in a 6-pack, and they look very similar to something that I've gotten in the past in terms of office stationery in a rose gold from, I want to say, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and I'm pretty confident I paid way more than 99 cents for them. So I was excited about these. I picked up, I only got two because I have plenty of rose gold stationery supplies right now. But I thought that was another fun find as well. So that is pretty much it. This is my 99-cent only store spring Easter holiday haul. I guess whether or not I do another spring haul from the 99 will depend on whether or not they put out any additional items. But I'm super excited about these items, specifically that keychain. Those eggs are everything. And I know I'll be using the notebooks on a regular basis. But again, how cute are these bunnies? Okay, I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. If you are also a 99er, please feel free to share down below your recent finds. As always, thank you for watching and have a great one.